What going on YouTube? It's your boy Jando with another episode of Reality Check. And yeah, man. So basically, this is like a freestyle topic. I just was talking to my boy and what's not, and he's a big Kobe Bryant fan and thing, and like, so we were getting into this little debate, this little argument about the whole Shaq and Kobe beef thing that been in the news right now, and that shit immediately lead to him talking about Kobe and then he went into this whole Jordan LeBron conversation, right? And that's what we want to talk about today. This Jordan versus LeBron, who better conversation, right? And like, I need that shit to stop them, man. I need that to stop comparing Jordan with LeBron. Cause first of all, like, there's completely two different type of players, played two different generations, and basically two different positions. Like, there's 5 positions in basketball. You got your point guard. You got your point guard job is to like bring up the ball and distribute and control the pace of the game and what's. You got your shooting guard, whose job is to basically catch and drive and try and make buckets and them kind of thing. You got your small forward, you got your power forward, you got your center. Jordan, first of all, he plays shooting guard, and at one point he was point guard all in his career, but he mostly is a shooting guard. LeBron plays small forward, power forward, like he play many positions, but at the end of the day, he's a big man. You check, like, so it's completely different style of play, two different generation. Like the era what Jordan was playing in is a completely different era from what LeBron playing in now. And it's like, I ain't gonna stop the compare. Two of them are great. Jordan is one of the best in his position, and LeBron is one of the best in his position. But I need to stop with this whole Jordan better than LeBron or LeBron better than Jordan. It's two different kind of players, them, and two different kind of generations. And it's like, this man just get me frustrated because it's like how can you, that's like comparing literally Shaquille O'Neal to Kobe Bryant. Like Shaquille O'Neal is like a completely style of play different. His role at his position is completely different from what Kobe is asked to do on the court. The same thing with LeBron. You check. One thing, granted, I will say LeBron don't have Jordanish killer instinct and killer mentality and them kind of thing. But that's why I say there's different type of players. Because LeBron is a person that will find the open man and try to make the best play. Jordan will take over and try to do everything himself. LeBron, he more of a distributor. Like, there's two different kind of players. So like, I need to stop with this whole Jordan versus Jordan versus LeBron shit, them, and two of them are great. LeBron is one of the best, greatest for what he do, and Jordan is one of the greatest at what he do. If you want to compare Kobe and Jordan, now that's perfect because like two of them are shooting guards, two of them got the same style of play, two of them basically same position. So it's like, you could compare them to, if you want to compare somebody to LeBron, you could compare Carmelo Anthony, you could compare Paul George and Kevin Durant. You could compare all these kind of players to LeBron because that's the kind of play they do, but you cannot compare Jordan to LeBron. It don't make no sense. It will never make sense because it's like comparing a dog to a cat. As far as like, well, that didn't make no sense. But you know what I'm trying to say. I basketball people, I stop with that shit. And then, like, I still hate our Kobe fans, I hate our Lakers fans. But anyway, this is your boy Jando with another episode. I want to keep this one here sharp, but I just wanted to just put it out there as like, it don't make no logical sense to compare the two and who is greater and what's not. You check? Two of them are great in what they do. Different roles, different objective, like they have different style of play. Different generations. I can't stress that more. Completely different generations. So, yeah, man, stop that bullshit, man. Cut it out. You check, you can't compare the two. You can't compare the two. One is great and one is great. You can't say one is better than the next. You cannot. It's impossible to say one is better than the next because it's completely different. It's like saying I is a better cook because I specialize in cake and this other person specializes in chicken. You can't compare the two. Cake, the cake and chicken is two like. You know what the fuck I'm trying to say. Anyways, man, it's your boy Jando with another episode of Reality Check. Make sure you subscribe. Go back and watch all my other videos to understand the movement and what's not. And peace. Hey, oh, yo. But yeah, one more thing, man. I like to always bring up this whole Jordan had 6 ring, went to the finals 6 times and win. LeBron went to the finals this amount of time and lose and what's not. And the reason I hate to hear that argument is because okay, LeBron went to the finals. I forget how much time, like 8, 9 times. He went to the finals straight, and Jordan went to the finals 6 times. So if you're thinking about Jordan's 17-year career and LeBron, I think this is his 15th career now where he come in 03. I ain't know what year. This is about his 15, 16 year in the league or whatever the case. If you're comparing time in the league, right? Okay, if you make it to the finals 6 times, that mean, and win 6 times, that mean 11 other times he get taken out first round, second round, third round. So if LeBron make it to the finals 8 and 9 times, I mean out of his career, he went to the last level more times than Jordan. So the fact that he lose more times than Jordan in the final, Jordan lose more time in the first round, second round, third round than LeBron. You check, so like I hate that argument too, man. So like I cut that shit out, man. Cut all of that shit out. You check, it just don't make no sense why I be saying it, man. You check? Yes, Jordan is great. I ain't trying to take away nothing from Jordan. But he went to the finals 6 times and win. That also mean he make it to the finals 11 years in his career. So if you want technicality, LeBron make it to the finals, which is the last step in order to become a championship more time than Jordan. So the times when Jordan didn't make it to the final, I mean he get taken out all year in the playoffs. Or even make it to the playoffs. You check? So that's the fact that LeBron went, come on lads, cut it out, man. Peace.